Welcome to this step-by-step video tutorial on using the ProSheet Task Manager. Upon opening the Task Manager, you'll see this interface. This is the home page, where you'll find several buttons: Home, Instructions, Dashboard, Settings, and Task Tracker. Clicking on any specific button will take you directly to that sheet. Home. Clicking the Home button takes you back to the main dashboard. Instructions. When you click on the Instructions button, the instruction sheet opens. Here, you'll find basic guidelines for using the Task Manager. There's also a Back to Top button for easy navigation back to the top of the page. Settings. Let's go to Settings next. Here, you can change the general settings. General categories. Customize these as needed. You can add or modify categories to suit your needs. Task priority. Set priorities as high, medium, or low. Feel free to change these settings according to your requirements. Task status. Adjust or add new statuses as needed. Task lead information. This section contains information about who is leading the task, along with their contact number and email ID. Any changes made here will automatically update throughout the sheet. Dashboard. Now, let's move on to the dashboard. This provides a comprehensive overview of your project. For example, you can see there are a total of 15 tasks. 5 are completed, 1 is delayed, and 3 have not yet started. All this data is tracked here for easy monitoring. Task Tracker. Next, we have the Task Tracker sheet. This sheet contains detailed information about each task, including priorities, dependencies, the responsible person, and status. Let's create a new task. Task name. Enter the name of the task. Date created. Input the date. Task creator. Enter the name of the person who created the task. Category. Select the appropriate category. Priority. Choose the priority level. For urgent tasks, select high. Otherwise, choose medium or low. Due date. Enter the task's due date. Days left. Indicate the number of days remaining. Percent completion. Update the percentage of completion. Status. Set the status, such as in progress. Assignee. Assign the task to the relevant person. When you complete any task, you can mark it as inactive by clicking on the Active/Inactive tab. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the ProSheet Task Manager Tracker.